Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to make cleaning your hard floors a breeze, the Bissell SpinWave Pet Hard Floor Corded Spin Mop. We found this product online, and you'll find the link in the description so you can check for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Bissell SpinWave Pet? This is not your average mop, it's an electric floor cleaner designed specifically for hard surfaces. With its corded design, this powerful spin mop takes the manual labor out of scrubbing, letting the mop pads do the hard work for you. If you're looking for a solution that not only cleans but also protects your floors, this might just be the tool you need. Let's talk about some of the key features that make the SpinWave Pet stand out. First off, it boasts effortless cleaning power. The reusable, long-lasting mop pads are designed to scrub away tough messes, which means you can say goodbye to the days of sore arms from constant mopping. Just plug it in, and you're ready to go. Next, it's versatile. This electric mop is safe for sealed hard floors, making it suitable for a variety of surfaces, including wood, tile, linoleum, and more. Whether you're dealing with sticky spills in the kitchen or muddy paw prints in the hallway, the SpinWave has you covered. One of the standout features is its targeted stain removal. The on-demand spray feature allows you to dispense Bissell cleaning formula with just the push of a button. This means you can focus on those stubborn spots without wasting cleaning solution on areas that don't need it. It's a practical feature that can save time and effort, especially when you have pets or kids running around. Now, let's discuss the design. The Bissell SpinWave is lightweight and features swivel steering, which makes maneuvering around furniture and baseboards a breeze. You won't find yourself struggling to reach those tricky spots that traditional mops often miss. This is a great advantage for anyone who finds themselves cleaning in tight spaces or wants to make their cleaning routine more efficient. Who is the Bissell SpinWave Pet suitable for? Well, if you have pets, kids, or simply want a more efficient way to keep your hard floors spotless, this product is tailored for you. It's also perfect for busy households where cleaning needs to be as quick and effective as possible. Whether you're a working professional, a busy parent, or someone who just wants a cleaner home with minimal effort, the SpinWave could be a game changer. Let's not forget practical use cases. Imagine coming home after a long day, only to find muddy paw prints scattered across your hardwood floors. Instead of getting out the mop and bucket, you can simply grab the SpinWave, plug it in, and get to work. Its ability to handle tough stains and sticky messes means you can tackle those daily spills without breaking a sweat. In addition to the mop itself, the Bissell SpinWave comes with 4 reusable mop pads and 2 trial-size cleaning solutions. This means you can complete 4 full cleaning sessions right out of the box, making it convenient and accessible for immediate use. Overall, the Bissell SpinWave Pet Hard Floor Corded Spin Mop is an innovative solution for anyone looking to simplify their floor cleaning routine. With its powerful scrubbing capabilities, versatile floor protection, and user-friendly design, it stands out as a must-have tool for maintaining clean and beautiful hard floors. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.